Hi, so today I'll continue the partnership profit and loss appropriation. On the last video I told you how to do it on using fixed capital method by opening up three accounts. One is partners capital account, one is partners current account, and profit and loss appropriation account. And under fluctuating method, which I am showing you today, you have to open up two accounts. One is partners capital account, one is profit and loss appropriation account. So appropriation account is to be opened in both cases. So by opening up a partner's capital account, you will find the opening balance on the balance sheet on the liability side, and then interest on capital and interest on current account. So on interest on current account, which will be given on the liability side of the balance sheet, and you will have to charge it on the credit balance and put it on the credit side, and anything allowed to the partner like salary, fees, commission, etc. to be posted on the credit side, and appropriation of profit also to be posted on the credit side. And when it comes to the debit side, you will see the drawings, interest on drawings, interest on current account. On the debit balance of current account, you will be given it on the asset side of the balance sheet, and then loss on appropriation, and then you have to balance it. So that's it. And today I'll also tell you how to measure the interest on capital on opening balance of capital account. Interest on capital can be charge against profit or appropriation of profit. If it is charge against profit, then profit and loss account will be debited, and if it is appropriation of profit, then profit and loss appropriation account will be debited. Okay, so how it is calculated? Always remember, interest is always calculated on opening balance of capital multiplied by percentage will be given, and time by 12 months or 360 days. Let me show you an example. You see, on 1st April 24 there was an opening balance of 6,000. On 1st November newly capital introduced 3,000. On 10th March capital withdrawn 1,000, interest to be charged 10% per annum. So how to do it? One by one. On 1st April 24 capital 6,000, so interest from 1st April to 1st November, that is 7 months, will be charged. So 6,000 into 10% into 7 by 12, 350. And then come on 1st November to 10th March. Additional capital, that is 6,000 plus 3,000, 9,000, and for 160 days. So 9,000 into 10% into 160 by 360, this comes to 4,400. And on 10th March, capital will be 9,000 minus 1,000 withdrawal, that is 8,000, and interest for 20 days. 8,000 into 10% into 20 by 360, that is 45. So total interest will be